Good evening, guys. It is a Friday night and I have the weekend to myself. So I decided to have a bit of a solo date filled weekend. I have yet to watch the Odyssey, so I decided that I would book tickets for tonight for 9 p.m., which is literally in 20 minutes, so we'll be fine. Still need to get some snacks, but we'll be fine. We'll literally be so fine. Also, please ignore this shelving situation. I recently moved here and I have yet to style my shelves correctly. Maybe we'll do that this weekend. But anyways, I'm wearing the Art of Loving Tour shirts and these like white and pink Champion pants that I literally got in high school. Just a cute, comfy, chill outfit. I already showered and did my skincare, so I'm just feeling super comfy and cozy. I got the reclining seats, which I'm so excited about, and I think it's gonna be a really good evening. So come along with me for this solo weekend, starting with the Odyssey. I'm about to head out. I have my trusty Uniqlo black hoodie that I got in Japan, unironically. And then, just have my little tote that I will be filling with snacks. And then my black koala to keep me hydrated. And I'm so excited. I tried to read the Odyssey when I was like 18 or something and I gave up after the first chapter. So I'm looking forward to being culturally informed after watching the film. So, okay, let's go. Okay, so I was actually gonna go to Dollarama, but I loafed it too hard and now it's closed. So I'm at Rexall instead. And they have the Bueno that I wanted on sale. $1.69, I think that's pretty good. And then I'm gonna get two. And then I'm going to get the chicken strips from the theater. I'm shamelessly addicted. Fun fact, I didn't ever go to the movies growing up because I was raised super Christian. I'm still Christian, but I was raised super Christian and we weren't allowed to. So going to the movies now is just like a super fun experience for me. And I like getting the theater food. This is so cute. Okay, when I signed up for this, I had no idea. Like, I didn't know this is a whole separate section of the theater. Lord, am I lost? So I just got home. It's like 12 a.m. I forgot that the movie was supposed to be about like 3 hours or so. But despite it being very loud and very jump scary at times, it was a really good movie. And it unlocked a core memory. Do you guys remember? Please tell me I'm not making this up. But like there was an Arthur episode of the Odyssey, or am I crazy? No, I'm pretty sure like I have this image of DW being Cyclops. Anyways, it's a good story, pretty good movie. Oh Lord, I'm choking myself. Okay, my thing is like, is Hollywood short on actors and actresses? Like, do they intentionally just use repeat actors and actresses for a season? Like, why is like Tom Holland in every movie out in the theater right now? I know that's an exaggeration, but it's just like, I don't know, like, can we diversify? He is really talented though, and he played his role well. I'm just saying, like, I just saw him in Spider-Man, and now I'm supposed to get used to him being like a Greek son of some empire king. I can't switch that fast, you know what I mean? But I'm about to go to bed. First, I need to do my laundry that's on my bed, and then I'm going to sleep because unfortunately, I do have work tomorrow. But after that, the solo diaries will continue. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. This is my breakfast. There were supposed to be 3 pancakes, but I messed up the first one as I usually do. But it looks pretty yummy and crispy on the edges. Okay, so today I do have work, like I said before. Also, guys, I tried to ethereal max. I took my my twists out, and that's just something I do whenever I'm almost ready to wash my hair, but I don't like going from straight to like a my curly styled hair to washing it, because no, like I need to detangle and then I need to like put more moisture back into it. Then I do the twist out. So anyways, I think it looks so pretty. This is the first time I'm seeing it with my blonde hair. Anyways, yeah, so today I have work and then I'm gonna run a few errands. I need to pick up some groceries, and then I wanted to switch out my earrings because, again, fun fact, I just got my ears pierced for the very first time 6 weeks ago, and apparently I should be able to switch out now. I wanted to get the Majuri like huggy ones, but I was researching and apparently I need to find another like starter earring, preferably like a stainless steel. The Majuri huggies are gold, but I think the base is sterling silver or something, and there's something about the erosion with like a still moist healing ear puncture thing. But Pilgrim has some, so I'm gonna go by there. And also the Pilgrim ones are much more cost effective, so I'm like, okay, you know what, maybe I'll just get like 2 from Pilgrim. When my ears are fully healed to celebrate, I'll go get the Majuri ones. But this is my OOTD. I'm just wearing this like very fairy shirt that I thrifted years ago, and then these pants that I got in Spain. Okay, I'll show you guys the full look. Okay, it like, this is the look. Cute. It kind of looks like pajamas in a way, but it's chill, it's girly, I love it.
Next stop.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just got home, and can I just say, oops, can I just say that that was like a day and 2.5. Like, oh my god, I'm so tired. But I got a couple earrings from Pilgrim, like I said. I think you guys probably saw in the previous clips, but I got these ones. They're on sale. They're so pretty. I think they might be too heavy for my ear currently, but it was $29.99. And I know I'm gonna like these a lot when my ears are more healed. Then I got these, which is essentially like what I wanted from Majuri, but Majuri was just, I guess, real gold or something. I don't know. I don't know what these are, if these are gold plated or not. I guess they would be, right? And then lastly, I was in between 2 choices. I have a wedding at the end of the month, and I just wanted to get something for the wedding, and I was between these ones and another one you guys probably saw. Oops, this is just, but I thought these were super pretty, and the lady also told me that these were last chance, so yeah, I think these will look so good. My dress for the wedding is all black. Edward is the best man, and he's wearing a black tux, and I kind of just wanted to wear something that would suit him the best. So we opted for a black dress. Plot twist. My mom, my brother, and my grandmother are coming over. So yeah. I'm so tired. Solo weekends are supposed to be enriching and fill up your cup. But not when you're working. No. But that's okay. It's still a good day and it was very productive. I also finished my groceries and I got the stuff I needed to get from Dollarama as well, so I can rest for the rest of the night. Hey guys, so my family just left and we watched a movie together, and the whole time I was just staring at my shelves and ideating what I should do with them. I definitely want to organize my books and get maybe some storage bins to put more of the like loose items. So I'm feeling a bit better, still super tired, but I think I'm gonna walk to Dollarama and see what they have in terms of like storage bins. And then I'm gonna come back and organize this. This will literally make me feel so good if I can finish this before this weekend's over.
Only at Pizza Hut until August 16th.
Am I cooking or no? Okay, I decided to get them. Okay, this is gonna be for my vanity room. I'm gonna use this thing. This is such a classic Dollarama pen holder. I'm gonna turn off my fans. I think it's gonna work. I believe in it. Get the vision. Get the vision. Okay, I'm gonna get into it. Oh my god, this was like my typography like notebook. Textile documentation. I did a textile class because I minored in material art and design. Okay, this is the final staging. I quite like it. Doing an impromptu gallery wall. I have just like art that my sister has made me and that Edward printed out for me. These are his photographs. And I've had them like lying around, and I really just want to put them up on the wall. I have no plan, no rhyme or reason. I just trust myself. You can see. Kind of crooked, but impromptu gallery wall that I literally did in like under 10 minutes. I also took some time to organize my vanity. I know it still looks pretty messy, but I should have done it before and after. This is actually so good. Isn't it so cute? I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. So I'm in bed now, and this has been my bedside table book for a couple days now. I'm on March. It's separated by month. This is a pretty popular book. I found it at a used bookstore and decided just to pick it up. It's pretty good so far. I'm just gonna read until I fall asleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. Well, actually, it's 1 p.m. It's not the morning. I woke up, I cleaned my bathroom, I made bacon and pancakes and errands. There were some things that I need to pick up that I did not get yesterday. Okay. It was a battle and a half, but I just switched out my earrings. I still have to do it on this side. But oh my god, taking out like a butterfly backing, that was crazy. I think it looks pretty. It's nice. It's cute. Also, this is how it looks in the daylight. It's much better than it was before. Eyebrows and groceries have been complete. I'm actually going to head over to the pool right now, and I'm gonna leave my phone here. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. It was a very lovely, calm / not really calm weekend. It was very productive, and I'm gonna spend the last moments at the pool unplugged. So bye.